To Robin's house. Today I'm working on the Ornamental Christmas Cards with Robin, which uses this gorgeous modern Christmas paper with the gold foil everywhere. And this Ornamental Christmas, it is a rubber set, but you'll notice that there are a bunch of dies in here that don't specifically cut out an image exactly. So there are, this circle made a really pretty ornament. We used it on one of the cards with Robin that had an ornament on it. And we used this gorgeous one, and I love this design that's in there. We use these and the star. So a lot of fun. Anyway, so we use for all of these cards, I used heat embossing. I used black heat embossing, I used white heat embossing, and I used gold heat embossing just because it felt like it should. You're welcome to do it any way that you wish. We've done this card before, but this one I went ahead and mounted on a card base. So it's like a full card. And then this one, I don't know if you can tell, is actually the inside of this one. So this one, we just put a couple pieces of paper, decorative paper behind to create that one. And you can kind of see, I also used this branching out dies, these frames, stitched frames with the knocked out corners. I love them. So I used them several times in this card and several other cards this month. And then this one, I've actually cut those ornaments out of the paper. And then you can see almost all the cards have this beautiful black and gold twine. I really liked it. Sometimes I doubled it up and sometimes I singled it up, and it was a lot of fun. So reserve yours now, the Ornamental Christmas Card Workshop. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting.